Hello everyone. Now we are going to go to part 2 of this difficult question which is on option based hedging. Friends, part 1 link is given below. Please go through part 1. After that only come to part 2 of this video. This was a very tough question which came in the May 2025 RTP and I have done it in two parts because part 1 contains a lot of data. So two questions or two parts will make it easier for you to understand. So shall we now begin with part 2, friends? I'll just take this question. It is question number 4 of May 2025 RTP that we are going to do over here. So friends, in this question, I'll just rush through the basic data once. Here the spot price is 500. The price can either go up to 650 or the price can fall down to 450. If the price goes up to 650, the exercise price E1 is given in the question as 550. So if the price goes up to 650, we will make a profit of 100. But if the price falls down to 450, we will lapse and the value of the option will become how much, friends? It will become 0. RF is given over there as 20% per annum. So for 3 months, it will turn out to be how much, friends? 5%. Using binomial model, when I find out the value of the option, considering the RF of 5%, the formula will be CU into I minus D divided by U minus D plus CD into U minus I divided by U minus D whole divided by I. So when I try solving this question, I get the price as 35.71. Now friends, this same answer we will also derive if in a combination of option and share, which I'll show you to you in the next page now. So friends, if you go through video number 1, in detail I have explained that if you want to do a perfect hedging, you are supposed to do what? You are supposed to buy 0.5 share and you're supposed to sell 1 call. When you do like this, even if the price goes up or the price falls down, you end up getting exactly 225 rupees, friends. That is the beauty of this question. And how did we do this perfect hedging formula? The formula will be C1 minus C2 divided by S1 minus S2, or I would call it as change in the option value divided by change in the share value. All right. So till here, I had done in video number 1. The link is given below. Please click on the link and watch this video. I will now go to the next part of the question. So these two parts are covered in video number 1, friends. Now here they are asking, if the RF is 20% for 3 months period, what is the value of the option at the beginning of the period? So friends, here we will solve it using this particular solution pattern. Friends, we are doing two things over here. One, we are buying shares. 2, we are selling a call. Am I right? So there are two things we are doing: buy share, sell call. So when I buy share, the price of the share today is 500. So if I am buying 0.5 shares, I am ending up to pay how much money over here? 250 rupees. When I sell a call, what will happen? I will receive premium. How much premium? I don't know. Can I call that premium as P over here? So can I say this 250 is my outflow, but this premium is going to be my inflow? So when I take the net investment, I get the answer as 250 minus P. So this at the end of 3 months, as I told you in my video number 1, even if the price goes up or if the price falls down, we end up getting exactly 225. So at the end of 3 months, whatever be the price in the market, I will surely get 225 rupees. Am I right? So from this, can I create an equation that 250 minus P into 1.05, that is my investment invested at 5%. That's why I'm doing into 1.05. Okay. This should be equal to how much, friends? This should be equal to 225. So when I try solving this, 225 divided by 1.05, I will get 250 minus P is equal to 214.28. Therefore, P will be equal to this minus 250. That will give you the answer as 35.71. My dear friends, are you familiar with this answer? This is exactly the same answer that we got when I did it using what? Binomial model formula. So what is the moral of the story, friends? Whether I do binomial model or whether I go by a perfect hedging model, my answer will always remain the same. So once we are done with this one particular part, I will go to the last requirement. What is the expected rate of return from buyer's point of view? So I'll write down the next working note heading. Expected rate of return from whose point of view? From the buyer's point of view. So friends, when we are talking about this from the buyer's point of view, point number A, when the buyer is buying the share, he will be paying a premium. Am I right? So how much is the premium that he will pay now? We just worked out the premium over here. Is it turning out to be 35.71? Am I right? Once he pays 35.71, we will now work out what is going to be his expected profit. The price may go up, he will get 100, which has a 70% probability. How did I get the 70%? It is given in the question. If the price falls down, you will end up getting 0. All right. So what is the answer that you get over here? Do you get the answer as 70? So once you get this, what is the return that is going to get over here? He is going to get 35.71 minus 70. He makes a net profit of 34.29. Therefore, friends, what will be the ROI of this one particular scenario? Do I get the answer as 96%? Yes. So with this, friends, we are done with this question. It's a very, very good question, friends. You already have one question of Dayal in your study material. This is the second one. I hope this video was very much useful to all of you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get more such videos, friends. Have a lovely time ahead. Take care. Thank you.